Hello everybody and welcome back to Keep Drawing. Today we are going to learn how to draw a spooky Halloween tree. And we're going to start out with two curved lines side by side like this. Next, make two smaller lines on the inside. Then connect the bottom with a zigzag line. Remember to pause or slow down the video if I'm going too fast. Draw another zigzag line on top. We finished the mouth, so let's add two eyes. They'll be ovals facing down with sharp corners. Drawing them like this makes our tree look mean. Let's also add two angry eyebrows. Now that the face is drawn, we can start the lower branches. This one is reaching down, with twigs that look like little pointed fingers. Let's draw the arm on the other side the same way. Now that we've finished the face and the lower branches, let's draw some roots. It doesn't matter exactly how you draw the roots, as long as they have the same points and curves as the branches. We'll draw them in several different directions around the tree. Now let's go back to the top of the tree to draw the higher branches. Again, we're giving our tree a spooky look with lots of curves and sharp points. Now let's see what else we can add to our finished drawing. There's a bold outline around the tree to make it stand out against the purple sky. Orange jack-o'-lanterns match the tree's mouth and eyes. I even added two ghosts and one baby ghost up at the top. Thanks for drawing this spooky Halloween tree with me. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.